So I'm going to be very short. I will just to remain seated while delivering my message. On the 70th anniversary of the alliance between Korea and USA, we are having another cooperation in the AI, which is emerging the most important topic. And congratulations on the AI seminar having on the National Assembly. Thank you for everyone who are putting your efforts for organizing this event. My special thanks goes to everyone, and also my special thanks goes to Mr. Thomas Hover, the U.S. ambassador to Korea. Thank you for being here and delivering meaningful messages. We are joined by experts from two countries, and they will deep dive into many current status about AI. I believe we can learn a lot from today's seminar, and the result coming from this seminar will be shared between U.S. and Korea, and we can collect the competitiveness and the competence and capability to find a solution to tackle the financial crimes and money laundering and many others. Once again, thank you, everyone.